So today is Monday the 1st of October and I have just taken a pregnancy test and it is positive. I can't believe it. I really did not expect, well, I'd been feeling quite sick and ill and my period is like 3 weeks late, but it was also 3 weeks late last month as well, so I thought it was just normal, but I've been feeling really tired and really sick the last few days, so I thought I better take one and check, and that is very positive. So I'm not sure how many weeks I am. I guess we're gonna have to go to the doctors and check, but oh my god. Hi, so today is Tuesday the 2nd of October and this morning Lawrence and I nipped to the shops to pick up some more pregnancy tests just to check to make sure that yesterday's was correct, and we picked up the digital ones just so we could sure, and it is definitely positive. It says 3+ weeks, which is what we expect. I think I am nearly 8 weeks. So yeah, we're gonna go and make a appointment with the midwife tomorrow, my booking in appointment. So yeah, it's, can't believe it, pregnant again. Alice will be 17 months when this one is due, so she's still only going to be little, so I'm hoping she'll be okay. We're not going to struggle too much, but well, we have to see. So me and Lawrence said we're going to have to organise the house a bit better now. We're going to have to get rid of all the rubbish and sort it out, start baby proofing the place properly. So yeah, so excited though. Hi, today is Monday the 5th of November. Today we are off to the hospital because we have our 12-week pregnancy scan. If you didn't know, you hadn't guessed by the fact that I'm always tired and always feeling sick, we are actually pregnant again. So we are off to have our 12-week scan. I'm really nervous actually, I've been sick 4 times. So hopefully everything's okay, I'm sure it is. So we're just getting ready now. My parents are going to pick us up in about 10 minutes time, take us to the hospital for the scan. Alice is coming with us, so we're just packing her bag, getting everything ready for her, and then we're going to head off. And hopefully when we get back I can show you some pictures. So yeah, I'm quite excited but also very nervous as well, so I will get back to you in a little bit.
It's got a gummy grin at the moment.
Hello, you. What are you playing?
He's playing Bash Bash.
Oh, bye bye. Oh, Alice, what have you got?
He's playing the drums.
That's not Jeff.
Hi, so I thought I would update you. It's actually much later now, it's about 8 o'clock, but I thought I would update you on what happened today at our scan. So we went for our, what we thought was 12-week scan, but it actually turned out that we're only 10 weeks along, because the scan was to do the, is it nuptial screening checks, where they do some measurements and then they take your blood to check for Down syndrome and stuff like that. So because I was only 10 weeks, they couldn't do any of that, so they made me a new appointment for 2 weeks time on the 19th of November, so we've got to go back then. But we did get a picture of this scan, so I can show you that. And there is our little baby at 10 weeks. So yeah, we are 2 weeks behind what we thought, so we're just 10 weeks along, but this baby's fine. She said the heartbeat's fine. So yeah, we just can't wait now for the 12-week scan. We get to see the baby again when it's a bit bigger. Hi, today is Monday the 19th of November. We are just about to head out to the hospital because I have my 12-week scan today. I think I explained to you a few weeks ago that when we went for our 12-week scan last time, we were actually only 10 weeks, so they made us a new appointment to come back because they'll be doing the nuptial screening test today. So they'll be, excuse me, they'll be taking my blood and doing like measurements and stuff to check for like Down syndrome and stuff. So got that today, and we're in a bit of a rush because my parents are going to be here any second, so I'm going to have to go quickly get ready and I'll get back to you once we get home. So see you later.
Is he taking your pictures?
Let's have a picture taken. Oh, you look pretty. Don't you look lovely? Oh yeah, you look lovely. Hi, so it's actually much later now. It's about 8 o'clock I think, and I thought I'd better get back to you and tell you how the scan went. It went really well. They said the baby's fine. I had my blood test for the nuptial screening checks, and that was a bit of a nightmare because she couldn't get the blood out of my arm. It happens every time I go. She can never get my blood out. It's the same when I had Alice. It's the same woman, and she always struggles to get blood out of my arm. So she tried twice, and then I started feeling really, really faint. So I said, can I lie down, because I'm feeling a bit faint. So I had to lie down on a bench, and then I asked for some water, and then she tried again in my hand and couldn't get out. So then she went to get someone else to come and try, and she tried in my I think it was my left arm, and she managed to get it out first time, luckily. But yeah, it's every time, so I'm hoping I don't need many more blood tests this time around like I did with Alice. I think I had quite a few, but yeah, they always struggle. I'm not sure why, but at least they managed to get it out, because I was worried that I might have to go to the blood room and get it done. So I managed to get it out. The baby was fine. Actually, I've got a picture. It's not a very good scan picture. You can hardly tell it's a baby, but they said everything was fine. And there it is. It's not the best scan picture. I don't think I've drunk enough water, because I never drink any water until I'm there. And usually you have quite a wait, but because it was quite an early appointment, we ended up going straight in. So we went practically straight in, so I'd hardly had any water. So I think that's why the picture isn't very good. But what was really, really nice is she let my parents and Alice come in as well near the end, so that they could see the baby, which was really nice, because that doesn't usually happen at NHS appointments. If you have private ones, they let your family come in, but at NHS it's usually just you and your partner. But I think because it was quiet and there wasn't many people waiting, she let my parents and Alice come in, which was really, really nice. So my parents got to see the baby, and I don't think Alice knew what it was, but she got to see it, which was really, really nice as well. So it was a nice little scan day, and I don't know when my next scan is. I don't think, did they give me my appointment? I'm not sure, but my 20-week scan, I think it's in January sometime. Yeah, it's in January sometime. I think it's like the 15th or something like that, so a while to wait yet for that. But then we hopefully can find out the sex of the baby. I really wish I could find out the sex of the baby now. I'm really impatient. I really want to know, but I'm going to have to wait till January, because I also want to know if I need to sell Alice's clothes or not. So anyway, yeah, that's all I think I've got to update you on. It was a nice scan picture. It was really nice that my parents got to come in. It's just a shame that you can't really make out a baby from that. I don't know, can you see properly on there without the glare? It's just a blob. But so yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this little pregnancy update. This will probably be the last one in this vlog type series, because I just wanted to do, obviously, because you wouldn't have known I was pregnant the first few weeks me finding out. I'm only going to tell people once I get to 12 weeks, which is now, and I've had my scan, everything's fine. So I will now be announcing it on my channel. So obviously these few weeks that I've been recording will go up after I've announced it on my channel. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little vlog of the first few weeks of my pregnancy. If you have, please give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.